Many of Tokyo's neighborhoods don't make it to travel guides. They are places where locals live and their daily lives, not full of tourist attractions, and maybe not the Japan you first imagined. But after your second or third visit, you might find them more fun. In this new Tokyo vlog series, I'll walk through 3 neighboring areas in each episode and show you a glimpse of what everyday Tokyo really looks like. Today we are starting in Nakameguro, just 2 stops from Shibuya. Hello friends, this is a new series that I walk Tokyo and introduce 3 different neighborhoods of Tokyo that I usually don't introduce in my major travel area guide video because there aren't much things to do or to show you, but still a popular area or kind of good place to visit for local people. So not really very Japan things, kind of aesthetic scenery maybe, but something introducing more real Tokyo. And today is the first episode, and I came to Nakameguro. There's a pizza shop here. This is a very popular pizza restaurant in Nakameguro, but it might be a little bit too much for myself for lunch. So I said to go to the little small restaurant next to it. It was a cozy little coffee shop that you can enjoy the curry. Here there's a big Don Quixote, everyone's favorite Don Quixote. Discount, not really discounted, but general stores have lots of stuff. The Starbucks Reserve. It's a popular store, so you have to get a ticket before you enter the store. Okay, my number is 598 and 222 people are in front of me. Maybe I can't enter. So this is a Starbucks Reserved, but they say it's about 90 minutes wait. So probably I should keep walking. I always come here and I was always waiting and I never have entered inside. But maybe next time I'd like to come earlier. Let's look for another coffee shop. Looks like a popular coffee shop. Bakery Sawamura. It's a famous bakery shop from軽井沢. Now let's go to the other side of Nakameguro. Nakameguro might not be anymore off the beaten path. There are lots of popular shops and it's a popular destination for Tokyo people's weekend. If you go down by the rail towards the Utenshi, there are more stores in the streets. Omnibus coffee. Omnibus coffee. Omnibus coffee. Looks like it's a very popular coffee shop. Omnibus coffee. Cold brew coffee. It tastes like cranberry juice or chocolate, kind of like a dark chocolate. Really good. Vegan, Muslim friendly gelato, gluten free, milk and creamy rice. Right now it's 23 degrees in Tokyo, but tomorrow it will be 8 degrees, so 15 degrees colder. So Meguro River continue towards the south to Tokyo Bay. So let's keep walking. So this coming down south and it's a more wider space and it's more beautiful shape sometimes and less people. Meguro City Museum. Japan Airlines from Dallas, Texas. So much steep here. Many restaurants around the streets.
Now I enter the Meguro area, but I ran out of the time, so I decided to come back in a few days to do the rest of the parts.
I'm near Meguro station and I'd like to continue the day 2 of the Tokyo walk towards the south of the Meguro River. And it's actually a very cold day and it's like a 15-20 degree colder than the day 1 part. So everyone's in the t-shirt, but today everyone's back to the coat. So let's continue the walk from the lunch near Meguro station.
Now let's find a lunch place.
This is also a very cute restaurant. Coffee, wine, beer. Lots of nice coffee shop. Looks like this store opened at noon and lunchtime is noon to 3 and dinner is 5 to 11. So there's a duck roast and quiche and smoked salmon cheese. It was 1,500 yen for the plate and orange juice. Now let's walk back to Meguro River. It's the west side of the JR Meguro station. There's a Meguro Catholic church. The Tokyo Meguro line.
And now we are back to Meguro River. As it has been cold the past couple of days, the cherry blossom hasn't actually fully bloomed yet.
Nakameguro Bridge. And this is direction towards the south to Gotanda side. So we'll head there later. Out to Yamate Street. And there's a Meguro Fudo temple, so let's go there. It's like a pizza store from other countries. All day pizza service. So this place called Kamurozaka. Kamurozaka, so ex-samurai warrior of Tottori feudal clan was. This is the Kamurozaka. Lots of cherry blossom trees along the street. Looks like Meguro Fudoson in this way. Looks like this is another popular coffee shop, Day Coffee. Jojuin Temple. Octopus has a tentacle, so it attracts fortune to you. Camellia is so beautiful. Let me take green. smells good. So this is the Meguro Fudoson. Very quiet and not many people. 山手七福神。So it says please see over there. So there are three gods here. Inari Shrine, Ebis Sama, and White Dragon. Right here. So this is how it looked in Edo period. It was all just a field around and there was a mountain here. This is a Mizukake Fudomyo sama. So you pour water. I put the water to I didn't I wonder how many times I'm supposed to. This is the main building of the Meguro Fudoson.
Meguro Fudoson is known as the Black Fudo, one of the Tokyo's 5 guardian temples, each represented by 5 different colors. The other color, blue, red, yellow, and white, are located in different parts of Tokyo to protect Tokyo. Together, they form a spiritual network set to protect the city.
So beautiful. There's a little photo spot here. And it says everywhere has this flag of the sweet potato. I wonder if they make it here. Maybe this is sweet potato actually. But it's really beautiful and not many people, so maybe this is a real off the beaten path. Maybe this should be called hidden gem. It's almost central Tokyo, but not many people and so beautiful.
Now let's go back to Meguro River and walk to Gotanda station.
So this cherry blossom is not yet.
This is Oshima Zakura, but it's called Tsurugadai Nioi.
Interesting.
And called Yae Benihigan.
Pretty. Now I'm back to Meguro River. Let's continue to Gotanda's destination. So this Meguro River will go under the Yamante Line's rail in Gotanda station. Machiharu. Looks like a coffee shop. Coffee and bar, it says. A coffee and sake. Move away from the Meguro River and explore the town of Gotanda a little bit. It's a typical Tokyo back street. A mixture of office building and condos. So Gotanda is another major office town, and that bridge is Tokyo Ikegami Line's bridge. Tomorrow never noodles. Interesting name. Masuko Buffalo Cafe, Kenyan restaurant. So this is a Kenya cuisine restaurant, but unfortunately it's closed on Monday today.
I was thinking of visiting this Kenyan cuisine shop for coffee, but it seems it's closed today.
So behind me over there is a Gotanda station. So let's go the other side after this. This is Tokyo Ikegami line. And right there is Osaki Hirokoji station. The first stop after Gotanda station. This takes you to Kamata near Haneda Airport. So under the train rail is like a shopping mall. And there's a vegetable shop called Shunpachi. They have interesting vegetables. Oh, the negi is 80 yen, so cheap. Amao looks so good. 580 yen, which is so big though. I think it's very reasonable. It's a very nice vegetable store. It's Shunpachi. Next to it is a Far East Brewing Company. This is the inside of the Yamate Line's loop, so east side of the station. So this continues to the residential area, very traditional residential, kind of luxury residential area called Ikedayama. It says bread and coffee, Ikedayama. Ikedayama coffee. Cinnamon. This is a back street of Gotanda, lots of shops. From here to Osaki station, there's more cherry blossom trees. Wow, so beautiful here. This Meguro River cherry blossom continues to further to Osaki station and Shinbamba station near Tokyo Bay. And I'd like to finish the walk here today. And so this was really the first trial of the Tokyo walk, that instead of doing the roads in other parts of Japan, this month I thought I'm gonna do in Tokyo. And if you like the content, I'd like to continue in other parts of Tokyo too.
Thank you for watching. Have a great trip to Tokyo. Have a great week until the next video.